In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a page in Adobe InDesign. First, open your project in Adobe InDesign. On the right side of your screen, you should see the Pages panel. If you don't see it, click on Window at the top menu of your screen, and from the drop-down menu, select Pages. The Pages panel will now appear on the right side of your screen, displaying all the pages in your document. To delete a single page, click on the page you want to delete to select it. Right-click on it, and from the context menu, select Delete Spread. The selected page will be removed from your document. Another way to delete a page is to click and drag the page to the trash bin icon at the bottom right corner of the Pages panel. You can also click on the page to select it and then click directly on the trash bin icon to delete it. If you want to delete multiple pages at once, hold down the Control key and select the pages you want to delete. Once all the pages are selected, drag them to the trash bin. This will delete all the selected pages at once, and that's how you can delete a page in Adobe InDesign.